moved here, there was probably, it would be really exciting and a big deal if there was like 5 days over 90 during the summer. So obviously these temperatures are a lot different than when we moved here. We live in an old 1907 four-square house, no air conditioning, and that really wasn't a problem when we moved here. We finally have broken down and bought 2 or 3 portable air conditioners for our house. We can't even sleep at night anymore without one.
We bought our house in 2007 with no air conditioning, didn't really even think about it for the first handful of years, and then had a handful of years of getting hotter and hotter, and then we got AC, which is great. It's definitely not an inexpensive thing to take on, but it made a world of difference. It feels like there are stretches that it's not just a day of 100 or 2 days. It's like we have, 4 or 5 consecutive days of high 90s or low 100s. And I don't remember that happening before. I worry about our electrical grid. On Sunday morning, we woke up with no power, and the house was hot, and I immediately went on my phone, and PGE said it was slated to come back on at 11. There were like 5,000 people without power.